Can this AI tool really perform my job as a team manager? Will it replace me? Do my one-on-one meetings without me? Is it too late to adopt? 2 months ago, a Forbes article titled "These Jobs Will Fall First as AI Takes Over the Workplace" cited a prediction that up to 50% of jobs could be fully automated by 2045 already. And there's now a software tool called Echometer that is directing all its AI capabilities towards the routine one-on-one meeting between typically a manager and their employee. But before we dive into the tool itself, let's compare what you might expect from an AI versus a human manager. The AI will likely outperform in areas such as, for example, rapid data analysis and pattern recognition, scalability and consistent flawless preparation. It can also reliably track, for example, goals and progress without memory lapses. However, as a human manager, your strengths probably lie in, for example, building trust through empathy and presence, balancing team morale, delivery deadlines and stakeholder expectations, and probably delivering constructive feedback that really resonates emotionally and motivates. Now let's explore whether the one-on-one meeting software Echometer generally delivers on any of these promises, or if it's just another case of AI hype. In the Echometer platform, which you can see here, the employee can, on his or her own, select the topics they want to discuss without input from the manager. So there's a library of basically coaching topics. For instance, an employee might choose to reflect on their overall job satisfaction using a specific item from Echometer's library. They pull that into the one-on-one agenda and rate on it on their own on a scale from 1 to 7, as you can see here. If they also want to reflect on their career, they simply add that topic as well and also give feedback on that. Additionally, the employee can select a coaching questioning template from Echometer's collection. For example, if they feel they are struggling to take breaks and leaning toward burnout, they add that topic to the meeting agenda and fill it out on their own by taking notes like this. And then the AI comes into play and it records your conversation. You don't have to worry. You are still very much in control. This is precisely where you as the manager become indispensable. The reflection and facilitation aspects of the meeting cannot realistically be replaced by AI. Instead, you are responsible for guiding the discussion and providing thoughtful reflection. Meanwhile, still the AI coach transcription is running in the background, kind of taking notes throughout the meeting. And only after the session, the tool provides a summary and insights, but it never replaces your role. McKinsey published an article earlier this year that really resonated with me. I'll share what they said in a moment. Essentially, their description captures what Echometer does. Based on the recorded transcript, Echometer's one-on-one software offers specific suggestions to improve your meetings. For example, encouraging you to ask more open-ended questions instead of closed ones. It helps identify trends, as you can see here in the view, in this case to track how your employee satisfaction is developing, and supports you in becoming a more systematic, attentive people manager, one who remembers to check in on personal details, like for example, whether your employee's wife is still sick and stuff like that. In other words, referring back to our earlier comparison, Echometer blends the best of both worlds, enhancing your human management skills while automating tasks where AI excels. McKinsey's insight earlier this year was, these new technologies should free up managers' time so they can provide more of a human touch when interacting with employees. That is, more individualized attention as well as guidance and coaching. So, what does this mean for you now? Make AI your ally, not your enemy. Your greatest asset as a manager is that you are a human. Leverage that unique strength. Your interpersonal skills will remain the defining advantage of exceptional managers in the future, but make it smarter by incorporating tools like Echometer. You can use Echometer free, by the way, with up to 2 people indefinitely, and after that it costs like $30 per month for the whole team. But what if this isn't enough? Performance is still stagnating. Then you should probably learn some hands-on leadership tricks, so don't miss our free online people management training course. Do you know what percentage of your employees' personalities is shaped by nature versus nurture? You should, because growing your employees is part of your role. The question is, how much potential is there actually? If you want to learn more, start our free online people management training course with a video linked here and discover 3 stats that will immediately boost your confidence as a leader. See you there.